Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video and app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can recover your AOL mail account. So you have an AOL mail account that you use to receive and send emails. You use that AOL account to access the AOL web portal as well. And now somehow you've lost your password or you've forgotten your password and you've lost the access to that account. You want to recover that account but you can't figure out how you can do it. In this video, I'll show you some simple steps in order to recover your AOL mail account in a very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So, the first thing you have to do in order to recover your AOL mail account is open a browser and go to mail.aol.com. The link will also be available down in the description box. Once you go to mail.aol.com, you'll land on an interface like this. This is the sign-in interface of your AOL mail account. Here you need to enter your username, email or mobile number in order to log into your account, so go ahead and enter one of those. Once you enter your email, username or mobile number, tap on the next button. Once you tap on the next button, now AOL will ask you to enter your password in order to log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password and you want to recover your account, so what you need to do is tap on the forgot password option below the next button. Once you tap on that option, what AOL will ask you is whether you have the access to the phone number that you used to create that account or not. So if you have the access, what you want to do is tap on the yes send me a code button. Once you tap on the yes send me a code button, AOL will send a 6-digit verification code to your phone number. So go ahead and enter that code here. Once you enter the code, tap on the verify button. Once you tap on the verify button, AOL will ask you to create a new password for your account. So go ahead and create a new password for your account. Once you create a new password for your account, tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, you'll successfully create a new password for your AOL account. Now you can use that new password in order to access to your AOL account. So now you have successfully recovered your AOL mail account. So those were the simple steps in order to recover your AOL mail account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.